Good morning everyone. It's time for phonics. We're going to learn another new sound today. The sound we're going to learn is shh, 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 shh. Brilliant. Let's have a look at some words that start with the sh sound. Shop, shoe, sheep, shell. Let's have a look at our picture card today. This is the picture card for the sh sound. What do you notice about this picture card? There's two of the sounds we know on it. There's the s and there's the h. When these go together, they make the sh sound. When there's one or more sounds together, we call them special friends. So sh are special friends. When we see this side of the card, we say, shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. Shh, said the horse to the hissing snake. When we show this side of the card, we say, shh. Are you ready? Brilliant, well done. Let's hide shh in the pack of our cards. Remember, when you see the shh sound, say the sound and wave. Ready? Shh. Shh. Let's hide it once more. Shh. Brilliant. Well done. Let's have a go at writing the sh sound. So everybody pick up your pencil. We're going to write it in the air first. So we say, slither down the snake, and then down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. It's a lot to remember there. Let's try it again. Start up here with slither down the snake, down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. Watch me have a go. Slither down the snake, down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. Shh. You have a go at writing. Say it with me. Slither down the snake, down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. Brilliant. This time we're going to write, but we're just going to say the sound shh as we write it. Can you have a go at writing it too? Shh. Excellent. Well done. Put your pencils down. Let's say hello to Fred. Fred is going to Fred talk some words that have got the sh sound in it. But remember, Fred can't say the whole word properly. He can only say the sound, so we have to blend them together. Are you ready? Ship, ship, ship. Shop, One more. Shed. 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 Brilliant. Well done. What sound have we been learning today? Shh. And what's special about shh? That's right, they're special friends. Can you say special friends? Shh. Slither down the snake, down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. If you remember they go together, we remember the little phrase, shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. That's how we remember they go together. Brilliant. Let's review our sounds all the way through once more, and let's see if we can do them really quickly, because I know that you know these sounds. We know this one, we've learnt it today. Are you ready? Make sure you're joining in. That's it, keep going. Brilliant. Shh, that's what we started with. Now, I'm going to do some Fred talk now, and you're going to see if you can blend the sounds together. Are you ready? N. N. Run. Whoops. G. Jog. Yet. Yet. Web. Web. Yum. Jam. Win. Win. Wet. Brilliant. Now let's make some words using our picture cards. I want to make the word yap. Yap. Yap, yap, yap. That's the noise the little dog makes. Yap. What do I need to start? Yap. Yap. Y. That's right. Y. Y. Ah. There it is. Y. A. P. Well done. P. Y. A. P. Yap. You try. Brilliant. Well done. Let's make the word win. Win. W-I-N. W-I-N. What sound do I need first? W. There it is. W. W. I. W-I-N. W-I-N. Win. You try. Great blending today. Let's try with the magnetic letters now. I want to make the word wet. Wet. W-et. W-et. W. W. E. T. W-et. Wet. You try. Brilliant, well done. Let's make the word jog. Jog. J-o-g. J, j, j. J. O. J, o, g. J, o, g. J, o, g. Jog. You try. Brilliant, well done. Let's have a go at reading some words. Here's our green word cards. So remember, we're going to Fred talk and then read the word. Watch me first. Fred talk. W-et. Read the word. Wet. Your turn. Fred talk. Oh. Let's try it that way round. Ready? Fred talk. Read the word. Wet. Fred talk. Read the word. Win. Fred talk. Read the word. Jam. Fred talk. Read the word. Yum. Fred talk. Read the word. Web. Fred talk. Read the word. Yet. Fred talk. Read the word. Jog. Well done. Fred talk. Read the word. Run. Fred talk. Read the word. Red. Fred talk. Read the word. Yes. Fred talk. Read the word. Rat. Fred talk. Read the word. Vet. Fred talk. Read the word. Jet. Fred talk. Read the word. Yap. Fred talk. Read the word. Wet. Well done. Great blending. Now let's have a go at writing some of those words. So you need your pencil and your paper. I want to write the word run. So show me 3 fingers. We're going to pinch the sounds in run. N. N. Can you have a go at writing it on your paper? N. Let's have a go at writing together. First sound. Have a look at yours. Have a look at mine. Did you get the sound first? If you did, give it a tick. Did you get the sound? Give it a tick if you got it right. And did you get the n sound at the end? Give it a tick if you got it right. If you didn't quite get one of those sounds right, write it again on top. Fix the word. Brilliant. Let's do another one. Let's write the word jet. Show me 3 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds in jet. J, et. J, et. J, et. Have a go at writing it. Let's write it together. J, et, jet. Now check, did you get the j sound first, and did you get it round the right way? Check yours with mine. If it's not round the right way, write it above, round the right way. So if you got your j right, give it a tick. If you got the e right and the t right, give them a tick as well. J, et, jet. Brilliant. Let's do one more word. The last word we're going to do is van. Van. Show me 3 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds in van. V, a, n. V, a, n. Have a go at writing it. V, a, n. What's the first sound that I need? V. Well done. V, a, n. If you got the v sound, give it a tick. If you got that a sound next, give it a tick. And if you got the last sound, n, give it a tick. V, a, n. Van. Fantastic writing today. Well done for learning our new sound. Can you remember what it was? Shh. Well done. And shh are special friends. We're going to be learning some more special friends later in the week as well. So you've got to remember, special friends. Fantastic. See you soon. Bye.